In this unboxing, the AuraLink Wireless Quantum Keyboard arrives in a matte black shell. Its keys click softly and glow with a cool blue RGB. Inside, a braided USB-C cable, a slim magnetic wrist rest, and a compact instruction card sit beside the keyboard, minimal and premium. As I power it on, the adaptive backlight learns my typing rhythm and shifts brightness to match ambient light, a delightful touch. I test macro keys, switch profiles, and notice the low-latency wireless performance that makes every keystroke feel instant. My take: sleek design, responsive typing, and AI shortcuts justify the premium.